short and a little bit of an angle. This looks perfect.
Thanks, Mark.
Absolutely perfect.
Needs the pink as well.
59. $64.
You won't see a better break than this.
Well, I'm sorry about this, guys. We seem to be having some technical problems here on Video Toolbox, trying to learn the snooker from the York Barbican. We'll have to get back to the programme as soon as we can.
Be kind to one another and don't give in to fear. That's all that I am asking for Christmas time this year. We've had enough of fighting and dying in the streets. For Christmas I just want a little peace.
Apologies for our breakup of the snooker live from the York Barbican. Let's get back to the programme here on Video Toolbox. At the moment, we'll just continue with the music.
For once when we're affronted, can we turn the other cheek? For Christmas, I just want a little peace. And if the fates should bless us with a moment of reprieve, we all could stand together in the silence and just breathe. Rejoice for all the happiness, mourn for all the grief.
This is Video Toolbox, and some great news. We can now rejoin the snooker live from the York Barbican.
Fascinating opening frame in this final. And it's Mark Selby with that magnificent break who pinches it and leads Judd Trump by 1-0.
Well, we are literally all shaking our heads in the studio here. 37-minute opening frame. It wasn't really going anywhere, and it started to get a bit bogged down, but there was utter, relentless self-belief from Mark Selby to get it done. How would you rate what we've just seen as a break of 77?
What a player. He really is. What a player. I mean, he comes to